How to join the Dream SMP. So the other day, I was watching YouTube and I came across this video by McBurkin called How to Join Dream's SMP in 1 minute. It was a pretty funny meme, but it had me thinking, how could someone actually join the Dream SMP, the #1 SMP in the world with only 31 members? Is it possible for someone, anyone, maybe even one of you watching this video, to become a part of one of the most entertaining communities in Minecraft? Well, as it turns out, yes. Surprisingly, someone's already done it. How? We're about to find out. Also, thank you all for 1,000 subscribers. This growth is honestly amazing and you guys have been killing it lately. At this rate, the channel is going at full speed toward 10,000 subscribers. So if you're part of the 96% of my viewers who aren't subscribed and you enjoyed the video, leave a like and consider subscribing to be here before that insane milestone. September 11th, 2020. This day would mark the start of the insane growth of a Dream Team fan who would one day join the Dream SMP, Ranboo. After posting his first video in August, Ranboo had a grand total of 16 subscribers, but everything was about to change. If you think I'm growing fast, wait till you hear about this guy. On the 11th, he made a series of TikToks that would lead to his YouTube channel going from 16 subscribers to 1,000 in 2 days. This growth continued to spiral, and he would end the month with 13,000 subscribers because of his cult of simps on TikTok. This TikTok following would remain very important to Ranboo's success and would also branch out to his other platforms like Twitch and Twitter. One day, just 2 weeks into his time streaming on Twitch, his fans noticed that Puns, a popular streamer and member of the Dream SMP, was ending his Twitch stream, and they managed to get Puns to raid Ranboo, making Ranboo the #1 Minecraft streamer on Twitch for a while, even though he just started streaming 2 weeks ago. After that, he only grew faster, and eventually, Ranboo hit 100,000 subscribers on YouTube and 100,000 followers on Twitch in 2 months. At this point, you're probably thinking, wow, it's great that this man gets subscribers faster than the coronavirus spreads and all, but there are YouTubers with millions of subscribers that don't get into the Dream SMP these days. So how did he? Well, on November 27th, Ranboo was streaming Hypixel when he decided to come up with a plan to become president of Lemanberg without actually joining the Dream SMP server. Halfway through the stream, he was raided by Fundy and Filza, both members of the Dream SMP, and apparently Dream was watching one of their streams because he subscribed to Ranboo on Twitch, which if you don't know, isn't actually free. A few moments later, Ranboo got an invite to the Dream SMP and his chat went crazy. He went on to meet other SMP members and play on the server for the rest of the stream, becoming an official member himself, which came as a complete shock to Ranboo, who was freaking out on the inside. This invite actually shows a pretty noticeable change in Dream's attitude towards inviting other people to the server. In the early days of the SMP, he only invited people he personally knew or watched, which is one of the main reasons he banned JSchlatt for a while. He didn't know him. As for the other reason, I'll let Dream explain it himself.
The biggest thing is that my fan base would like him. That was the biggest thing, or I guess our fan base, me, George, Sapnap, the Dream Team, because it is the Dream Team SMP. And if I think, hey, this guy is not going to be liked by the Dream Team, like the Dream Team community, and then, or if I don't know enough to know if that person would be liked by the Dream Team community, then I probably wouldn't add them, just because it's all for you guys and it's all for making sure that you guys like the people that are involved and want to watch us.
This is why Ranboo was able to join the Dream SMP. From the very start of his online career on TikTok, he's been deeply involved with the Dream Team fanbase, as he was a pretty huge fan himself. So when Dream decided to invite him to the SMP, it was a pretty easy decision to make in my view, because he's adding an underrated creator that his fanbase loves watching. Now, based on Ranboo's success story, how could one of you, watching this video, go about joining the Dream SMP? Well, I'd say the best thing you could do is get really involved with the Dream Team fanbase. TikTok is probably the best way to do that, as we've just seen, but Twitter works well too. This isn't just about being a successful content creator. Remember, there are people with millions of subscribers who aren't invited to the SMP, but channels smaller than them are. From there, it's just a matter of building your Twitch or YouTube channel through the social media platform of your choice and to keep growing. Eventually, if you get involved with Dream Team SMP members, who knows, maybe you will end up like Ranboo, a Dream SMP fan turned Dream SMP member. Sadly, as you probably realize, there is no easy way to join the Dream SMP. There's no application form, no requirements that you can meet to be added, nothing. If anything changes, I'll be the first to let you know, but as it stands now, if there's a least difficult option, it's what I've just laid out. I'd love to hear what you guys think about how hard it is to join the Dream SMP, and if it's a good or bad thing with the new season on the way, so let me know in the comments and I'll see you soon.